great to be at AutoSens. It's bigger, it's brighter, it's more emphatic, and I'm loving it. So if you remember at AutoSens Detroit, we launched our flagship ADAS family. That's the Hyperlux, which has a 3-megapixel sensor, an 8-megapixel sensor, and then we have a high-resolution sensor in the pipeline as well. It's got the highest dynamic range in the market. Single exposure is 120 dB, and total dynamic range is 150 dB. So you can see that live in action at the show here. Something else that is a big differentiator that I spoke about in Detroit was the stability of performance across temperature. So we have that live in action as well. We've got heater boards. You can see some key metrics of our image sensor family performing across temperature with accuracy and stability. Another factor that we'd like to highlight here is our presence in the ecosystem. So we take that very seriously at onsemi. Taking a complete solution to our customers is important. So we put in a lot of effort and time working with ecosystem partners like NVIDIA. We actually made a press announcement with them as well as other module manufacturers, lens manufacturers, tuning up our sensors to give the best optimum performance. So you can see that live in action here at our booth as well. Yeah, that's our response to our customers' demand. We've put in over $1 billion both in our front end and our back end. We've taken complete ownership of our supply chain, right from wafer fabrication, color filter arrays, microlens, probe, assembly, test. So we have complete ownership, but at the same time, we continue working closely with our partners as well. So at any given point in time, we have a dual source option for our image sensor offerings to our customers. So besides meeting the demand from our customers and market space, it's also peace of mind for our customers, because if at any point we face another calamity, we have the option to source from 2 different sites. Yeah, you can see a glimpse of that right here. So our partnership with NVIDIA goes back generations. We were the first image sensor vendor to be on their platform, and we continue on the same trajectory, working very closely with them as technology partners on their current and future generation platforms as well. So it's important for us to be taking high accuracy safety solutions to the market. So with our sensor offering and their processor, we are taking a solution to the market that has the most efficient architecture and a complete solution to our common customers. So safety and security are 2 key tenets of how we build and develop our sensor portfolio. Again, we go back in time when it comes to providing safety solutions to the market. It's part of our core DNA. We've been providing ISO 26262 solutions to the market space for a very long time. We were the first image sensor company to introduce a product with ASIL B certification. And what differentiates us is that we treat it at the core design level. We inject over 4,000 faults at the time of development to be able to catch these at the sensor level. So it's part of our core hardware development blocks. And we've taken that same engineering rigor to cybersecurity as well, because let's face it, the attacks, the cybersecurity attacks have gone up by 99% in a year's time. And there are more black hat attacks relative to white hat attacks. So we have the widest coverage from a cybersecurity perspective as well. So between our ASIL offering and cybersecurity, we feel we offer solutions to the market space that have the widest coverage out there.
Huge thank you to onsemi, our lead sponsor, and without the support, we can't make all of this happen.